Unlock the world of carpentry, a realm where wood becomes your canvas. From novice to artisan, the journey is as rewarding as the destination. Carve your dreams into reality with the timeless art of carpentry. Begin your journey today. Feel the allure of crafting wood, a symphony of creativity. In every plank lies the potential to shape the world around you. Answer the call of craftsmanship and embrace a fulfilling path. Unleash your inner carpenter. Embark on a journey of sawdust and dreams, a journey of carpentry. From novice to craftsman, each cut tells a story of growth. Let saws sing and hammers dance as you sculpt your aspirations. Begin your carpentry odyssey. Witness the magic as timber transforms into art, guided by your hands. With every chisel stroke, you're shaping not just wood, but your future. Step into the world of carpentry, where creativity flows and possibilities are endless. Craft your future in wood. To learn more about carpentry, check the pinned comment.